Let's take things a little cardio. Open those legs up. You're stepping in abduction position. Look how wide my legs are. You're gonna punch 4 times and then lift 2. Now, the harder the tubing, of course, the more challenging this will be. Punch, lift. Doesn't matter which side you punch first, just lift. And then I'm gonna switch sides. But it doesn't really matter, just keep moving. Push, 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 lift, lift, push, 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 push. Now let's do one of each. Go 1, push, 1, push. Keep going, keep up your tempo. This is gonna definitely challenge your cardio. Couple more, and then take the other side. Push, reach, push. Now you can hop it too. Add a little dynamic work. Push, push. Good. Let's finish out the end with just driving arms. Punch it, punch it. This is for my director. He said, show me some punches. Here's some punches. Here's some punches, Gio. Let's go. Last 4, 3, 2, and we are done. A little cardio with the tubing. Until next time.